Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. My voice is a little raspy. I think I'm getting like a little cold or something, but that's besides the point. I'm doing a wig install on my roommate today, and in the next couple of clips, I'm just prepping the wig for success because this install is going to be bussin'. I'm going to be using a hot comb, pushing the hair back, using a wax stick, all that good stuff.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, and my body, my body says, my mind, and my heart.
So now we're doing the ball cap method. Y'all, my outfit is bedtime, like it's nighttime. I'm dressing for comfort, so don't mind the outfit. But I'm just doing the ball cap method with my black even spray. We're gonna lay down that cap, protect them edges, and yeah, all that good stuff.
Baby, at last till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you.
So whenever I'm blow drying the ball cap, I like to use cold air instead of hot. I feel like the cold just works so much better for me.
My heart, my mind, and my body.
Then I'm taking my Ruby Kisses cream foundation. I think this is in the color 14, and I'm just smearing it all over the ball cap. Not all over the ball cap, but you know, all up in the front. You know, she got 13 by 6, so you know, I'm just putting it where I think the part's gonna stop.
I know you ain't gonna talk alright, baby. I just wanna talk to you.
Then of course, after you put all of your foundation all up on the ball cap, you want to just take them scissors and just cut it up. I like using small scissors. I've used big scissors before, but something about small scissors just always do it for me. So that's what you see me doing here.
I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together?
Also, you're gonna see me pushing back the wig cap right about now. Sometimes when you're using the ball cap method, you want to make sure you cut as close as you can to the hairline. So I'm usually, pushing it back, but I always do it in like, small increments, because once you push it too far back, you can't go back. If that makes sense. Once you push it too far back, you can't go back and redo it. That's what I mean. So just take your time and don't rush the process.
Corners in the paddock, ain't my piece. A push a P. Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace. Got a spot at cuff spot. Jeff for peace. Drop the dot and now we plant inside the peas.
So before I go in with the glue, you just see me use an alcohol pad just to clean off any oils or any like extra makeup that was on her head from me applying the foundation to her ball cap. And now I'm going in with this Bold Hold Active, for that secure hold. She's wearing her wig for a while, so we gotta make sure that wig is stuck and it's not going nowhere.
Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P, yeah. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P, yeah. Pop a P, I'm paranoid. I can't sleep, my pockets deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P, yeah.
So now I'm about to put the wig on, but before you put the wig on, you want to make sure that the glue is literally clear. Like, you don't want it to be white. And when it's clear, it's going to be tacky, and the tackiness helps the wig stick. It's in order, y'all. You got to follow the steps to get the results. But I'm just sliding the wig on, and then you're going to see me, just pressing it in with a comb, blow drying it, and, just, using different sprays to secure that hold. I use the spritz spray in a few seconds just to hold it down, to give it that secure, hold and that melt look. So that's what we got going on in these next couple of clips. Yes. After I use my spritz, I just go in with some makeup, just to blend it in some more. And then after, I do the makeup, you're going to see me, going with some Got To Be Glue spray just to give it, there we go. We're going to put some Got To Be Glue spray on it. So I put the spritz, I put Got To Be Glue spray on it. And yeah, and then I tie it down with the belt. And this is what really makes it melt. Just a disclaimer, I had called this a belt. I meant to say a lace band. I don't know where belt came from, but I just like to, blow dry it with the band on because it gives it a nice little extra melt. And it just gives it a nice finishing touch look. And who doesn't want their lace to look melted? My roommate definitely wants her lace to be melted. I'm going to do everything in my power to give it to her. Yes.
When I slide, nightlight on the blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. So them ran down, caught them pants.
This is pretty self-explanatory, but I'm going to explain. My roommate wanted a middle part bust down. So I'm just parting her hair and just styling her hair. That's pretty much all I'm doing.
I was totally wood, just broke, no motion. Sleeping on sofas, creeping in highs like roaches. I done went cage and stayed in the cage. Now free me, baby, can't keep me, baby. I beat them cases, they already hate me. They gon' want me dead when I'm on probation. Oh, y'all think Lil Yak retarded? Y'all ain't seen nothing yet, I promise. Niggas can't take me, niggas can't guard me. I be on the fuck nigga ass like Charmin, aka Twiggy Carvin. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were checking cars? Now it's not safe for you. Like a pussy little bitch. Damn, my nigga, you trippin'. We could've been superstars. Happy now, I'm reminiscing. Remember we were checking cars. Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Track hard with the kicks.
So when I took off the wig band, as you're gonna see, there was like excess glue on her forehead. So what I had to do was I had to take an alcohol pad and I just cleaned around it so that, we don't have none of that. Because I'm not going to have my roommate walking out looking like who did it and why. So we're just going to clean that up, make her look good. Yup. And now it's time for the edges. My favorite part. So on one side, the edges were already made. And then on the other side, you're going to see me working a lot on one side rather than the other because I had to, create some more edges. But honestly, the edges they take time. They really do take time. It's the part of the wig process that you can't rush, especially if you want your edges to look good. You need to take your time. So I'm just so basically what I'm doing in these next couple of clips, I'm just parting it out. And then you guys are going to see me curl the baby hairs, swoop the baby hairs, all that good stuff with the baby hairs. So yes, keep watching. Oh yeah, and I'm also going to be plucking. I'm going to be doing plucking because you got to pluck. Plucking never stops. Ever, ever, ever. It never stops.
Now you want to shoot with the red bottom. You know I like when you rap the top. She wants your name, yo-yo. I'm only doing cash guys, don't need promos. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. I got a feeling I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty because I don't do facades. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you wanna do anything you want. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya.
like to curl the edges up and the sideburns down. It makes it much easier for me to swoop personally, but it's a personal preference for the hairstylist. So depending on which one makes you, work the easiest is what I recommend.
Take her back to Marlo. At a 5 in the morning, wild and Marlo. And the name ain't begging, but she a stallion. Keep my hoes the valley. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. And you know I take her so when she ride. Put her in the sneakers all Kenzo. Shawty know to drop it low like a liver. How we think it like Timbo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go.
The edges are all in the flick of the wrist. It's like literally a process, and there have been so many times where I've done somebody's edges and I'm like, no, like it's really a process. But as long as your client is satisfied, that's all that matters. If they like the edges, they like your edges. I feel like as a hairstylist, you're your biggest, criticizer. But edges are important, they take time, you gotta be easy with it.
But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want the shit with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you're right at the top, babe.
Don't worry, Brian, I'll come up with something. Remember, I'm the guy who came up with
Why is Stewie's head shaped
Where
that
is this
way?
coming from?
What?
Okay, stop. Elizabeth, darling, too much hands,
Zuri.
not enough hips. Can I just show you?
Yarn?
1, 2, 3, 4. I'm dancing from my right.
I'm messing up your
Huh? What?
I'm cracking up in this can.
After I finish styling, I take this is just like a hair corrector in the color black, just to make the part look clean and nice. But y'all, isn't my roommate so pretty? My roommate is so pretty. Like, y'all need to be for real when it comes to her. Like, too cute. This concludes my video. This is how it looks. He loves it. Yes, I hope this video was helpful. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
Hey.